In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Xero. This is an essential process, and I'll guide you step by step so you can keep your products organized and your records accurate. Let's get started. First, go to Xero and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Business, then select Products and Services. This is where all your inventory items are stored and managed. Inside this section, you'll see a list of your products and services. Each item includes details like name, price, and availability, giving you a quick overview of your inventory. To view more information about a specific item, simply click on it. This will open a detailed page where you can review its transaction history, pricing, and account settings. If you need to make changes, look for the Edit option. Here, you can update important details such as the product name, sales price, cost, or tax settings. Keeping this information updated is important for accurate reporting and smooth operations. Now, if you no longer sell a product but still want to keep a record of it, you can archive the item. This removes it from your active list without deleting past data. On the other hand, if you're sure you don't need the item anymore, you can choose to delete it. Just be careful because deleting an item may remove important records permanently. Another useful feature is the ability to duplicate items. If you have similar products, duplicating can save time and help you maintain consistency across your inventory. Overall, regularly reviewing and updating your inventory ensures your business stays organized and avoids errors in pricing or stock tracking. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage inventory in Xero. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.